Hello, hi, this is Benny with Pierre Driving School. This morning we're covering Moffat Street, Moffat, Brooklyn, New York. This setting is on Moffat, Brooklyn, New York, near Bush Street. So those are the area that we cover as well. So if you guys live in the area, feel free to give us a call. Right turn here, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. All right, we're going straight from here. On this channel, we are all about driving. So if you are new here, consider to subscribe and hit notification subscribe. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If anything you want us to do in particular, put it in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video topic coming from. All right, this morning here we're on Moffat Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, Moffat Street, Brooklyn, New York. These are one of the area that we cover. This Moffat is on Bush Street area. We do cover this area as well. So we're gonna do a few lefts and right. Early morning in New York City, we cover lessons from 6 a.m. all the way up to 11 p.m. in the night. All right, so we picked up, we pick up in Brooklyn, and where we do picked up, you meet up at the office to do lesson. We make sure we cover the entire Brooklyn as much as we can for you guys to be able to get your lesson going as early as in the morning, as late as in the night. So time will not be an issue because driving lesson is a small sacrifice you have to do for a short period of time, and you get your license from there. Left turn here, mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn fall to your closest left lens. Whatever we do, signal all your intention. At the light, right turn. Guys, there's something on the you see there is something on the ground. You approach those things as if you would, and by signaling all of your attention. You always have to pay attention for those things in the road test as well. Okay? Right turn here. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Got up back on the right side, we're gonna signal left. Verify the shoulder real quick. There was no human pedestrian working with us. We're gonna signal to the right, the mirror right, shoulder right, then we're gonna go over and fall into the side that we're supposed to be falling in. Right turn again at the light. All right, shoulder right. Left hand here. Your left, shoulder left. Right turn at the light. The right shoulder right. Car double park, we're gonna cover the brake around nice and smooth. At the traffic light, right turn. At the light, right turn. Right, folks, I'm here by the student house. Almost there at the light. Right turn at the light. Alright, folks, like, share, and subscribe. If you want us to cover your area, put in the comment below. We cover most of the area here in New York City. This lesson today was on Moffat Street, Brooklyn, New York, okay? This is when here with Pierre Driving School. This channel is all about driving. So if you're not here, consider to subscribe and hit the notification icon and share this video to any family member, anybody that you, families and friends that you think might benefit from this video. Until then, keep practicing. This is Ben with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.